relative speed. The speed of a moving object with respect to the speed of another object. With respect to another object, opposite. There arises two types of cases. One, if the two objects are moving in the same direction, Suppose speed of one object is equal to s1, this is A, another object B, speed is equal to s2. Then the relative speed is equal to s1 minus s2 or s2 minus s1. If s1 is greater than s2, then relative speed is s1 minus s2. If s2 is greater than s1, then the relative speed is equal to s2 minus s1. This is the case when both are moving in the same direction. Another situation, if they are moving opposite to each other, this situation can be discussed in two different ways. Okay. Situation 1. If they are approaching to each other, the two objects are approaching to each other, approaching towards each other. That means one object is moving in this direction, another is moving in this direction. S1, S2. Here I ask you, yellow object A, yellow object B. Then relative speed is equal to S1 plus S2. Another situation, if they are departing from each other, if they are moving away from each other, Suppose this is A, this is B, this is speed 1, speed is 2. Then the relative speed is S1 plus S2. These are two situations. Problems related to train. Formula 1. Suppose the train is moving in this way, speed is equal to s1 and length L. Suppose here is a very small object, size negligible. Small object means a man standing there, or a tree, or an electric pole, like this. Time taken by the train to cross the electric pole. Suppose it is electric time. This is equal to length of the train divided by speed of the train. In this case, the train is only moving, but another object is silent. So length of the train by speed of the train. This is the time taken. Okay. Next situation. Train and the man both are moving. Both objects are moving in same direction. Time taken by train. Taken by the train to cross the moving object. Is equal to length of a train divided by the relative speed of the two. Relative speed means S1 plus S2. Clear? Okay. Relative speed is S1 minus S2. If the train and the small object are moving in opposite direction, time taken by the train to cross the object length of a train divided by speed 1, that means the speed of a train plus speed of an object, that means the relative speed of an object. Or you can say suppose L divided by SA1 plus S2. S1 S2 are speed of the two objects, one for train, other for object. When the train and objects are large in size. Size means length, and their speed are x1 and x2 respectively. Then time taken by the train to cross the object. 8 times. If both are in same direction, if both are moving in same direction, then length L1 plus L2, that means length of train plus length of object, divided by speed of a train minus speed of object. This is relative speed. Speed of train, speed of object. Here are length of a train, length of object. Okay. Also you can write length of a train and length of object. This is the